Okay, this series of videos we're going to build this mini pencil box. We should be able to make a lid, and eventually you might even be able to make it slide in here. This is something we can 3D print. Just to remind you, when I click with the left click, you should see the yellow square. If I right click, it's blue. If I middle click, it's green. And just remember, if I hold down the middle click, I can drag it side to side, I can zoom in and out, and to get back to a default view, we click the little view box over here and click trimetric. Okay, so if you guys open up Onshape, what I've done is made a folder in here by going create folder, so you can do that as well. You can make a Year 7 Tech folder. Once you've done that, you go create a document, and this document is going to be called mini pencil box, and put your name and click create. It will take a few seconds to load up, and we're back to our workspace. We can hide these planes, we don't need to see them, so we can go over here and click the eyeball on the top and the front and the right. We can leave the origin there for now, and if you remember, we always start by creating a sketch. So click sketch. It's asking what plane do you want to do the sketch on. We're going to use the top plane, so over here we click top, click it once, you'll see it's selected here. If you accidentally click the wrong plane, we can delete the top plane and we can go back and select the correct one. I'm going to view this top down, so I'll go over to the view cube and I'll click top, and I'm looking at it straight on top. We're going to start with a rectangle, a corner rectangle. So click to select the tool. You'll see it's highlighted once you've selected it. We're going to start at the origin, so move your cursor down until the origin, that little circle there, goes orange, and click once, move to the side, click again. I'm going to show you something different this time. We're going to set the size using the dimension tool. So go up and click dimension and hover over one of the long edges, click once, move the cursor, click again. Because it's highlighted, we can simply let go of the mouse and go to the keyboard and type 100. Press enter. Dimension tool is still selected, and we're going to click a short edge. Click, move across, click, and this one we're going to make 50. Press enter or click the tick, click the green tick. That's done. Let's go back to the 3D view, the standard view, and trimetric. What have I forgot to do? I forgot to click the green tick on sketch 1, so we can do that now. Extrude comes next. Click the extrude. It's asking what do we want to extrude. We want to make sure solid is selected and new is selected, and then go over and click inside that rectangle that we just drew. So click, and we're going to set its size to 40. So I've gone over to the depth there, click on that, it's highlighted blue, so I can simply type 40, press enter, it'll show us what it's going to look like, and we can tick. So there we go, we've got a rectangular prism. That will do for this video.